model, 2021 Citroen Relay Heavy L4H2 Enterprise 2.2 HDI 99K engine issues Euro 6.1 owner No Vat. Body, white. Mileage, 99,000. MOT, the 30th of July 2025. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a rattle. An engine is shaking. We suspect one cylinder is down on compression, so engine will need repairing or replacing, still starts and runs, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: aircon, sat-nav, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows.